Morning. It's Brian. We're out here in beautiful Lake of the Woods at the cabin for the weekend, and nothing says cabin living like a big old breakfast sandwich. So that's what we're about to get into. So strap in and let's grill crazy.
Let's grill crazy.
All right, the breakfast sandwich. So what is it? It is basically a breakfast platter on bread. So you got your Texas toast, you've got your ham, you've got your steak, you've got your bacon, you've got a nice runny egg. We're gonna make up some crazy aioli, and then we're gonna put a little avocado on there just for, the healthy portion of it. So let's get into this aioli. Super easy, super tasty. What we got? We got our mayo. All right, so we got a 1/4 cup of mayo in here. We're gonna go a couple tablespoons of steak seasoning, about 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. We got about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and then never leave home without it, Cosmic Coyote from our friends at Intergalactic Sauces. We like a little punch, wake us up in the morning, and again, as always, make it as hot, make it as not as you like it. Give it a good mix. Now I didn't put any salt or pepper in here because that steak seasoning has already got salt and pepper in it already. Oh yeah, that's gonna be dynamite. All right, let's get to the grill.
Let's go crazy.
We got a beautiful change of scenery here, and like I said, we're gonna be doing bacon, we're doing ham, we're doing steak. So it's about time to fire up that grill. Let's get at her. Oh, well, this is gonna be a little easier than normal. There we go. We'll let this baby heat up, and then we'll get grilling. Meat. That's what this sandwich is all about. Meat. So let's get cooking it. We got a beautiful ribeye. We have got a nice hunk of ham. We got bacon. We're gonna be doing eggs. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Let's get into it. Let's hear that sizzle. Oh, baby. So as always, we're gonna get this steak up to a nice medium rare. But with this ham, we are literally just heating it up, getting some grill on it, getting some char, building that flavor, and all the good stuff here. Not done yet. So, ham is done, nice and charred. This steak's got about 1 more minute. Then we're gonna get our cast iron pan on the heat. We're gonna get that nice and hot. Gonna crisp up our bacon, gonna do our eggs, and then we are gonna eat. While we're getting all these things grilled up, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you ring that dinner bell to get all of our notifications. And if you do, I'll give you an egg. Hey Reed, how's that toast coming? All right. All right, that skillet's warmed up. It's time for bacon. Oh, yes. Don't want to overcrowd the pan. We're just doing 5 at a time. Get them nice and crispy for this sandwich. It's going to be so good. Ooh. Give a little flip, flip, flipperoo. I am getting so hungry. Smelling all of this meat. Oh yeah. All right, so that first batch of bacon's almost done. We're gonna throw the second batch in here. Then we're making some beautiful runny eggs, and then we are going to eat.
Let's go crazy.
All right, bacon is done. Beautiful thing about bacon, natural lubricant. So let's get some eggs going. Oh, yeah. All right, let's work those magic. We'll get these going, and then we'll eat. We'll eat. We'll assemble. We'll eat. How many times have I said it? There are so many steps in this sandwich, but it's so good, and everything is worth it. I can't wait. All right, we got everything done. We got our bacon, our steak, our ham, our eggs, our avocado, our aioli, our toast. It is time to make our sandwich. Let's go. Well, I think we've been patient enough. This is assembled. We are ready. And it doesn't say breakfast without a breakfast beer. Where's my man Reed? Reed, get over here. Oh,
There you go.
ooh. Little Trans Canada Brewing. Got ourselves a Grapefruit Radler. Breakfast beer.
And a blueberry ale.
Breakfast beer. Clinky.
Clinky.
That's what I'm talking about.
Nothing says breakfast like beer.
Let's get into this sandwich. I am starving.
That is massive.
Feels like it's taken me an hour to make this thing. Good job on the bread. Nice
thank
toast.
you.
That's a nice even toast. Very good. You might, you know what? You make something of yourself one day here. Clinky.
Clinky. That's got it all.
That does have it all. There's a meat explosion. And that's got so much of all the good stuff. Creamy egg yolk. So good.
That's a beautiful aioli.
Nice and balanced. Give a little kick with that steak spice.
Yeah. So much meat. Double pork and beef. Love me some avocados. Don't forget, ring that dinner bell for your free egg.
That's right. We want to see in the comments. Who wants that egg? Let us know. You may just check your mailbox and you might get an egg. This should get me going through the rest of the day. We are going to finish these. We are going to go outside and enjoy that sun. You do the same. And if you're going to grill, as always, grill crazy.